If you don't like sudden scares but still want to protect your kids, then listen up. Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, is a silent danger. It starts like a regular cold, with symptoms like a runny nose and mild cough, but quickly gets worse. Babies and young kids are most at risk. The best defense? Vaccination. Protect your little ones and keep them safe. The whooping cough vaccine works by stimulating the body's immune system to fight the bacteria. It's generally safe, but like any vaccine, it can have side effects such as mild fever or soreness at the injection site. Talk to your doctor today about the whooping cough vaccine. Stay informed, stay protected.